This video will show you how you're going to format your output for the floating point values. Example, you have this number. Let's say you have a double variable with this initial value. If you try to run the program and try to display the value of x, this is what you get, which is 434. Even though you have this trailing zeros here and some of the points here, so it's just going to ignore the trailing zeros. Okay, even if you have 434.001, it's just going to display 434. But let's say you need to also, if you want to format the output, you need to include this IO manip header, and you need to you need to use show point. Okay, this one you can put it here or you can put it in between here. Okay, but I just separate it here. Okay, for this, when you run it, it's going to show you the point with the trailing zeros here. Now, even though you have a lot of decimal points here, it's not going to show the rest of it. For example, you have many trailing zeros right after that, or many floating point values right after that. It's just going to display, depending on the system, it's just going to display. Sometimes on if you run the same program on different computer, you might have a different output. You might have a different number of floating points to be displayed here. So if you want to make it fixed, like for example, you want to make it display the floating point, you can use the set precision of how many floating point value you want to display. Let's say 4. You can run it, but here it's just going to even though you set it to be on 4, but it's still displaying 1. Here you need to include another one which is fixed, and it's going to output 4 decimal places. Okay, 4 decimal places.